Today we are going to learn how you can add captions to your videos with just one click using make.com. All right. The first thing you have to do is click on plus icon here and search for Eranol. Once you select Eranol, you have to search for Add Captions. You can click here, right, like this. After that, you have to connect this app with your API account. So in order to do that, you just go to eranol.com, log in into your account, click on API key, click on create make API key. You can name it whatever you want, create the key, copy the key, come back, and then click on add. And then it should show you this API key section where you put the API key and it should be able to add your key. I've already got my account connected, so I'm fine. After that, you need a video URL. So I have some of the AI generated videos here with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy one of these. So let's say this one, a baby walking in London street talking. So I'm gonna click on share here. And the important thing is you have to make it anyone with the link, because otherwise Eranol server will not be able to access it. See that. Font color, I want white color font, so I will just put white color hex code. Font size, let's say 75. Outline color, let's say again white. Outline width, let's say 3. Position, I want it in the bottom. Max words per line, let's say 5. Max segment duration, let's say 3. There's no padding top because it's a bottom position, and then let's say padding bottom, let's say 50. Perfect. So that's done. Just so that you know that this video doesn't have any captions right now. As you can see, it doesn't have any caption. It's just the baby walking, right? Right. Save. After that, what you have to do is in productions, you need to make sure that you give some time to Eranol server to process it, add captions, and get it back to you. So for that, we will add sleep, and let's say we see 30 seconds of sleep. That should be okay. Yeah, save it. And then after this one, we will add another Eranol node here, and we will search for status, get job status, because remember when we created this, it creates a job ID for us, and then here we have to pass the job ID from the previous node so that it gets the status of the job ID. Perfect. Let's save it. Let's run it. Now you can see that it's sending the request and it got successful. If I click on this, you will see that it sent the video URL, position, and all these things which we have selected. Job ID here, as you can see in the output. Here we are waiting for 30 seconds now. Once this done, you can see that we have waited for 30 seconds. And here you can see that we passed the job ID and it says it's completed. So if you click on this small plus button here, you will see the end URL of the file, which is process. So let's open that in a browser and let's play it. As you can see, there are captions here. We selected white color. That's why all the captions are in white color, but the captions are burned into the video. So this is how you automate your caption generation with make.com. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments.